Hello, welcome to Lesson 9 of Mastering Java. Here we're going to talk about the continue statement, which is very similar to the break statement that we've already discussed. But before I actually talk about that, I want to introduce something else in this lesson called the remainder operator. And the reason I'm doing that here is because it's easy to describe the continue statement once I've described this other operator to you. It's very simple. So before, we've talked about in Java, you can add things together with a plus sign, obviously. You can subtract things with a minus sign. You can multiply things with an asterisk, and you can divide numbers with a division symbol. There's another operator that's not as common. That's why I didn't cover it so much, and that's the percent sign. Now, when I'm talking about this percent sign in terms of the remainder operator, it has nothing to do with percentages. They just chose the percent symbol to represent this, but just forget about it having to do anything with a percentage. And I think the easiest way to describe it is with a quick statement. So let me go system.out.println. This percent operator gives you the remainder. Remember back from math class when you take 4 and divide by 2. What is the answer going to be? If you take 4 and divide by 2, you're going to get 2. And because it goes in a perfect number of times, the remainder is 0. All right? So obviously, if we just do this, we'll get the answer of 2. But if we replace this division symbol with this percent symbol, it has nothing to do with percentages. What it's going to do is take 4 and divide by 2. But it's only going to give you what's left over. It's called the remainder operator. It tells you how much is left over. So since 4 divided by 2 is a perfect 2 with a remainder of 0, we should expect to get a 0, and that's what we get. If you take, for instance, 10 and do a percent with a 10 there, it's going to take 10 divided by 10.